Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into another video on our channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're going to be talking about the genuine Toyota PT420-03023 first aid kit. Now, I know what you're thinking. A first aid kit might not be the most exciting purchase, but let me tell you, having a quality first aid kit in your car can make all the difference in an emergency situation. This kit is guaranteed against poor workmanship and material defects, so you can trust that it's built to last. The soft-sided, water-resistant, and flame-retardant black PVC zipper case is not only durable, but it also looks sleek and professional in any vehicle. Plus, it meets Federal Motor Vehicle Flame Retardant Safety Standards (FMVSS 302), so you can have peace of mind knowing that it's held to the highest safety standards. But what really sets this first aid kit apart is the included stainless steel scissors capable of cutting through seatbelt strapping. In a car emergency, every second counts, and having the right tools at your fingertips can be a lifesaver. So, whether you're a frequent road tripper, a parent with young children, or just want to be prepared for the unexpected, this genuine Toyota first aid kit is a smart investment in your safety. And the best part? You can easily get your hands on one by clicking the link in the description below. Don't wait until it's too late. Make sure you're prepared for anything with the genuine Toyota PT420-03023 first aid kit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.